Gather everyone, we are squatting underneath the nugget of mystery. I mean, you'll learn about what it is soon, but for now it's a mystery. I mean, can you figure out what it is? Huh? Any clues? I'm not giving you any. This belongs to James's mother-in-law, and the current issue that we're tackling is that the exhaust sounds like it's got a huge hole in it. We're kind of hoping that it's just a hole in like the pipe or something, so we can try some funny and hilarious dirty fixes. My money is on it's like rusted off at the weld to the muffler, which makes it so much more difficult. Oh, that's rusty. Oh, hang on, that's already had... Someone's been in here, man.
Yeah. That's already been welded back together.
I love the snapped off bit of like welding wire that's still in it.
But I can't see black coming from there.
That's a hole right there.
No, that's the outer shield. It's got 2 layers of shield there.
Someone's put something in on top of it. This is someone chewing at it though, isn't it?
Oh yeah. There's a heap of someone welding stuff back together. Look, there's patches up here too. There's holes here. Up on the seam up there.
That's perfect.
Yeah. Oh, and more over here.
Oh, sick. Because this thing has over 300-something thousand Ks on it. I mean, if you could figure out what car it is.
You see in the camera there, the seam comes along and then there's no seam.
Wow.
That's huge.
That's awesome. That's heaps good. Yeah, the keys going. That's the big wow.
And then there's a patch, and then
whoa. And there's another muffler after this. So I don't know about you, but I think we found the exhaust.
Oh, they keep going. Keep going.
Oh no. It's a nice cube, that is.
It's for vibration.
Look at that cube. Now we know why this thing is so loud, because a 3.5 litre V6 screaming out of that big hole. It's raining oil, oh my goodness, it's raining oil, We're listening for more leaks. These particular cars have a particular oil burny smell. There's an extra clue in here. Yeah, I thought so. Oh yeah? Yeah. Can you believe this boogered up section leaks? Oh, that as well.
Yeah, a couple of spots around here.
Look at this fun dingle trick. Right, you take a hose, look how long this is, go around, right? And then, can you hear that? That's how we know there's a leak there. Someone sleeved it.
No, it's factory.
Is it?
It's a little piece of heat shield.
No wonder why they stopped building these. Why does burning metal have to be poisonous? It smells great! So this is the dodgy way to fix these like mufflers and resonators. When they get a hole in them, you gotta ditch them. Because James says he's currently made it slightly worse. Yeah. This is what happens. Like this isn't the fun fix. We're just getting through this quick so we can do the hilarious fixes. Because this is the only dumb quick fix. Still little leaks even after 2 rounds. Well, yeah, it's been taken out just so we can it's not good. It's had some patchwork, which makes sense once you know what this car is, eventually. But yeah, along this whole seam, it's freaking gone. And beyond there's another hole as well. Well, it's lucky that JB Weld make a whole bunch of stuff for people with nuggets to try and just make it stop. Just make it stop. Oh, it's the hiding horrors.
I don't know.
Oh!
It's not too bad.
It's mint. That's good. Get those Mountain Dew cans. See, we brought the Dew so we can make the Dew. What the? I thought it was gonna go boom. Well, good. There. Oh, cool. The plastic liner can burn off.
I was thinking that.
We've got heaps of different things we're going to try, and each one of these holes is going to get a different one. And so James is trying to pick which one gets the Mountain Dew can.
I reckon this one over here, under here, has the best chance.
Listen to your heart, James. See, from an outside perspective, look how sealed that looks. You can't see the rust, and therefore it's fixed.
Make crunch noises.
Crunch means it's working.
So that's so gonna leak through this.
Some ignorant idiot is going to look at that and go, hey, good. Like, that's more hose clamps than anyone would ever bother trying. Like, yeah, there you go. So I picked the Mountain Dew first, so go on. Like, what one do you want to see?
Total exhaust system repair. Clean area of all oil, dirt, and grease.
Impossible. Some of these might not be suitable. I just grabbed all of them.
This one is hardens strong as steel in 20 minutes.
I've tried that stuff, and I swear it didn't do amazing.
I want to try this stuff.
Let's go. Let's do it. Yeah, some sort of patch kit where you strap it on, and that tiger comes out and scares the holes away or something.
Apaga el motor, limpy el area, dirt, clean surface area of oil, dirt, and rust.
That's not happening.
Well, I can do a little bit. For hot areas, cut off needed amount of aluminium tape.
Oh, it comes with aluminium tape.
Oh.
So you fill the giant void and then wrap it with the schmooey
Yeah.
goo. This actually is probably going to do pretty good.
Maybe.
Since this crap's flexible, I reckon it goes on the bend.
Oh, man. We might have to use that other one as well.
Oh, they stingy.
It's not, it doesn't, it's an inch overlap. I don't know.
It'll do this much, won't it?
I don't know. We'll see. We'll see where it gets to.
We did get 2 of this stuff, so I guess we're using all of it. I got more trust in this, the fact it comes with aluminium tape, like to help kind of keep the fire in.
Oh, I see. It's because it's not sticky. That's why you have to use this stuff.
Yeah, this stuff doesn't activate until it gets really, really hot. So once all this goes on, you have to do a big drive. And that's all you can get. They say to lap it by ½ an inch.
Yeah.
So yeah, we've got 2 sets of this stuff. They're very generous with the aluminium tape. This stuff goes on really sloppy and loose.
Yeah, it's not pliable at all.
No, like it's got no tension at all. It's not elastic. It's like, keep in mind, James bothered to take this off the car. He took the piece of exhaust off. Who's pulling the exhaust off to put this crap on?
And we still don't have enough to do all of the holes.
I know. So for the other bendy bit, we've got like a more premium wrapping kit. This one's meant to be like, ooh, big deal. Look, they're wrapping a manifold. That's how you know it's crazy. Well, iPhones don't focus anymore, so. And like, this is giving this crap the best shot at working. Because again, no one's gonna run a wire brush over any of this stuff before putting it on. They give you gloves.
Yeah, well, that means that it's
Get them on! You can't do that. Nah, even though those are the amazing nitriles that we use, nah, we've got to use their gloves. You know, they've been paid for, James. They must. All right. Is that a sachet of fruit juice or something in there? What's that?
Drink it and let me know.
Well, you have to tell me what it is before I drink it. Whoa! Soaking wet. Oi, this one will actually be malleable.
Yeah, it will. Yeah.
What's that?
Aluminium tape.
Oh, that's a really stingy strip's worth.
Yeah.
Yeah, but this one's wet. Looks like an MRE. What is it, like military rations? Well, pretty typical instructions of just keep it clean. And yeah, you got to overlap so much. We might be lucky to fill up Booger Land here. Ew, is it like tuna mayonnaise in there?
Yeah.
Ew. Well, drape it on this mystery car's exhaust.
Plaster cast.
Is it it's dripping everywhere.
Dripping everywhere, yeah.
It's like a Euros. Just pretend it's garlic sauce.
What does that smell like? I recognize it.
I'm gonna lean over for a whiff. Oh gosh, it smells like paint.
Yeah, it does.
Like this white stuff gets all over everything. It looks good though. It's nice and tight.
It does look like the best one so far. Yeah.
Yeah. It said a minimum of 5 wraps over the area. This is lucky if it's 1.5.
Yeah.
This is very greedy. What the stink is that aluminium tape gonna stick to?
Itself.
It's soaking wet. Well, we're all out of wraps. And there's still a lot of holes left. Got putties though. This is not how they're meant to be used. See, we got one that's extreme heat, but then we got one that's extreme high temp. Look, but 1300 versus like 500. So you're not extreme heat. So just fill in all the gaps with this. See what it does.
Stream may separate and needs to be remixed.
Oh, you got to mix it.
Air dry at room temperature for 5 to 6 hours, then gradually heat repair for 10 to 15 minutes to fully cure. If bubbling occurs, extreme was cured too rapidly or the surface was not adequately cleaned and dried.
Do you have to like time and tempo the curing process over hours?
Allow the surface to cool, scrape off the blistered material.
Hey, what's this other one on the floor? What's the time on this one? If it's 10 minutes, we're in.
Use product generously.
Use it generously. You got it, JB World.
2 to 4 hours to set up depending on temperature and current environment. Appears to have leaked a little bit and stuck to the packaging.
Oh, it was leaking out. Oh, JB.
But it's supposed to be sealed.
Even with a seal.
Yeah, that's weird.
Well, hopefully that's just residue from the factory or something being
Yeah.
loose. What a strange little pot of poison. I thought this stuff was going to be like a paste, but it's like gravy. Well, it said to use generously. Just pour it on. Oh!
It is falling in a bit.
Yeah. Nah, just...
Yeah, it's falling in.
All right. Oh, yeah. I like it.
You watch. We'll come back when it's after it's curing time and it'll all be holes.
It's like applesauce. I'm worried about that.
Me too.
That one's... Oh, you cheating. You put an aluminium tape over it.
Yeah. I'm putting the goop on the aluminium tape.
Oh, yeah. Now it's looking really good. Well, it's been left to dry for a couple of days to really give this crap a shot of working. Like, the Mountain Dew cans, they got no chance. Hopefully these don't blow out, but it has had a while to kind of set up and it has gone hard. That's probably got the best shot because it was actually wet when it went on. It was able to get tight. I don't know about this stuff because it's not tight at all, but that's as tight as you can get it. I don't know, we hope it shrinks on there. That's just bare aluminium tape over one of the holes. James is betting it just blows through completely. And yeah, these have been welded and schmooed and welded and then re-schmooed and then welded, which is the most legitimate fix, but still absolute dog eggs in the automotive standards. Let's get it in this mystery car. James is confident that it's just gonna seal up if you just bolt it straight on, but this is just to make sure, because yeah, we don't want any leaks out of flanges. We want it all out of those Mountain Dew cans. Bogan exhaust going in the mystery car. Well, it's all fitted up and looking good. So it has to be driven to get all this junk and crap to cure.
Oh, that's actually very different.
Wow. Wow, it's so much quieter. Like, this hasn't even like cooked on yet. Gotta get it out of here, man. It smells like a 4-stroke motorbike. According to James, it immediately got worse and then stayed bad. The tape's blown off.
Oh, what a piece of junk.
What the crap? Oh, I mean, it's still slightly quieter, even as is. That blows. That was meant to be the good one.
Supposed to be exhaust stuff.
And you put it on properly. Like,
Yeah.
you didn't... That's...
Ow, it's even hot still.
Whoa.
It's supposed to get hot and melt onto the exhaust and block the holes.
Yeah, that was put on properly, damn it.
Yeah.
Like, oh man, the white stuff is the goer. Oh, the aluminium, where is it? Oh,
It's gone.
Oh, it blew out?
Yeah, it blew off.
Oh, yep.
Yeah, that's why it got worse, because this is just completely uncovered.
Yeah.
This-
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's a lot of pressure out of this mystery car.
Yeah. It literally
The
stunk.
cans have changed color.
Yeah. Yeah, it's gone very brown.
Oh, it'd be leaking like mad. Yeah, this is the exhaust post fix. Yeah, it's worse. Really, really disappointed in the black
Yeah.
wrap, man.
None of it's attached to the exhaust.
Yeah. Oh, what about that weird putty crap? Did it blow out?
No. It's got some cracks in it.
Oh, okay. It's not.
But it's not leaking.
It's not long for this world, though.
Well, it might have just baked and that's how it's going to be now.
Cracks don't mean strong.
Well, it depends if it did weird thermal stuff while it was setting. It could be cured now.
It's sad that the goo being used inappropriately worked better than the wrap being used appropriately.
Yeah.
Yeah, it didn't work for squat. What was this black tape all about? It just gave up completely. Just boom, fell apart. That stuff seems actually pretty decent. I mean, I think that's all goo dripping off from this stuff. But it was really expensive. Really, that's for like one hole in your exhaust system and that's it. Can't believe this crap hung out. I mean, it was trying to give up, but it might be as it expands. I don't know. And that never worked. And we think all the fluffing and like rattling noise was those cans in there. But it's cool. I'm going to show you the cheapest quick fix for this. Yeah, it's called get a second-hand one. Get one that isn't rotted out. Simple as that. Look how fugly this one looks. And it's like, what, 160 something bucks Australian. It's like $100 American. And this is meant, and look, it's got a smaller resonator in it, so it should sound even better. I mean, terrifyingly, it's longer. Do you know what car this came out of? Well, that's too long.
I'm guessing it came out of a wagon.
Thankfully, the old exhaust is actually bigger than the new one, so James is hoping to cut that off and just slip it on the end of this one and then weld it up. Not everything has to be grinder sparks and noise.
No, this gets a slightly straighter cut too.
Yeah, this is like really precise. You just keep cutting a little tiny groove and then you just tighten it and then just keep seesawing. Haha, nice one. What, you confident just zap it up?
I reckon.
Zap it?
Yeah.
Zap it. What'd you put the paint on it for?
Stop it rusting.
Alrighty. All this work for it to just look like a conventionally used car. Well, it was fun finding out. I mean, you know, the blown exhaust was loud, like really loud. Decibels really scale up, but not as bad as no exhaust at all. And all these Bogan fixes on there when they were fresh is technically as good as the repaired exhaust, except the fully repaired exhaust will last 10-something years, whereas the Bogan fix one lasts 10 minutes. And with the repaired exhaust, I reckon most of the noise is the engine itself. You know, you just can't silence an engine that big. So yeah, don't bother. It's cheaper and easier just to get a second-hand bit or weld in a bit of metal. And if that sounds tricky and hard, this is nightmare. This stuff is designed for little pinhole leaks, but the problem with exhaust is that if there's a little rusty hole, it means the whole thing's probably all rusted out, just like this one was. So I don't know, figure it out. Oi, like, you know, don't forget about me memberships, mate. Oi, I talk about the Yugo. We actually watched the brand new review of the Yugo. You know, so you could chuck into memberships, mate. Only $1 a month. That's 25 cents a vid. There's Float Plane where everything of mine is. And, you know, James has a channel too, you know.